Deep breath here, long inhale, and exhale your both hand up and join to palm close your feet also. Take a long inhale, exhale half moon pose. First bend your body with your exhalation towards the right side. Inhale up, exhale other side, maximum bend according to you please. Inhale up, exhale, 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 inhale up. ग्रैस करो इधर आइए. Exhale and hold there please. Maximum bend please. 1, लगा लीजिए. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More bend, elbow straight. 8, 9, 10. Up. Long inhale. Exhale other side with the breath please. Maximum bend. Please correct your body posture. 1, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your feet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale and exhale. Relax the body and the breath. Now little bit apart of it please. Long inhale. Join to palm. Exhale Malasana here. Inhale Malasana. Please exhale, twist your body towards the right hand side. Long inhale Malasana. Exhale other side. Long inhale Malasana. Yes. Exhale other side. Long inhale. Exhale. Long inhale. Malasana please. Exhale. Other side. More twist of body. Long inhale Malasana. Exhale. Hold there please. 1, 2. Look your hand. 3. Your hand put on shoulder. 4. More twist please. 6. Look here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale Malasana. 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा डाउन कर सकते हैं ऐसे. 4, 5. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Exhale. Other side please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now your foot side of your mat please. Okay, here this side. Long inhale, interlock both hand. Long inhale. Exhale, bend back. Stretch your arms there. Inhale up. Exhale down forward. Stretch your hand upside please. Stretch, madam, down forward na. Stretch your hand here. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. Bend back, maximum back. Stretch your arms. Inhale up. Exhale down forward tight please. Stretch your hand up. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. Bend back, maximum back. Inhale up. Exhale down forward. More forward please. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back and hold there please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Now your feet please. Same position. Okay. both side of your mat. Long inhale. Exhale, bend your knee. Okay. And both hand here. Hold only. Holding. Yes, forward holding. 1, 2, 3. Upper body straight. 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Join to palm and left elbow down on right thighs. Left elbow, right thighs. Look towards the right hand. So left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More twist. 6. Yes, shabash. 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale. Exhale other side, please. 1. Very good. 2. Down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Shake your leg, please. Shake your leg. Long inhale. Exhale. Now again you have to bend your knee and your both elbow under your knee, please. Here, like that. Hook your elbow under your knee and catch your ankle with the hand. Look forward. Please. Hook your elbow under your knee and look forward. Catch your ankle. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Little bit up your hip region. 4, 5. Little bit up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Shake your leg, please. Long inhale and exhale. Your both hand forward, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Your right hand twist. Your both hand twist right side and right leg twist left side leg. Long inhale. Exhale. Other side. Long inhale. Exhale like 1, 2. Elbow straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not same side. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Take long inhale and exhale now. Close your feet, please, here. Little bit gap between feet. Make your arch in your spine and stretch your hand here, please. Stretch your hand. Keep your leg straight. Keep your leg straight. 1. Make a 90-degree angle. Samkona asana. 2. Leg straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up. Long inhale and exhale. Now, please, you have to go bottom of your mat, please. Bottom of your mat. Yes. Join to palm here. Inhale both and bend back. Exhale Padhastasana. Down forward. Now your hand walk forward, please. Chaturangasana, Ashtanga Namaskar. Up in Bhujangasana. Don't drop your knee in Bhujangasana. Knee should be up. Now your right elbow down and your left hand up. Right elbow down, left hand up. Switch your hand, please, here. Come on. Both elbow down. Your hand walk back. Only 5. Don't drop your knee. Come on. Yes. Shabash. Inhale up. Both hand up. Bend back. Bend back. Exhale Padhastasana. Down forward. Your hand walk. Yes, Chaturanga here. Come on. Up in Bhujangasana. Up. Right elbow down. Left hand up. Switch your hand. Yes, you both elbow down. Hand walk back. Hand walk back. Knee down नहीं करना. Hand walk back. Yes. Yes. Now inhale up. Bend back. Bend back. Exhale. Padasthasana. Hand walk forward. Yes. चलिए अष्टांग नमस्कार कीजिए प्लीज. अष्टांग नमस्कार. ड्रॉप योर नी, योर हार्ट एंड चिन. नीचे. अप इन भुजंगासना. राइट एल्बो डाउन. लेफ्ट हैंड अप. स्विच योर हैंड. बोथ एल्बो डाउन. हैंड वॉक बैक. Back please. Both hand up. Two more round. Both hand up. Come on with energy. Exhale. Padasthasana. Hand walk forward. Ashtanga Namaskar. Up in Bhujangasana. Hey, Satvik. Right elbow down. Left hand up. Switch your hand. Both elbow down. Hand walk back please. Come on. Yes, come on, come on. Last round with the holding. Inhale, both hand up, bend back here. 1, 2, 3, bend back and hold. 4, 5, 6, more bend. 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down, please. Padasthasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand walk forward. And Dandasana here, please. Falakasana. Like that. 1, 2, here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ashtanga Namaskar. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips should be up. 5, 6. Apanaji. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up in Bhujangasana. Come up. Yes, don't drop your knee. Should be in air. Only your feet and your hand touch with the mat. 1, 2, down this part. 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7. Stitch up. 8, like that. 9, 10. Now right elbow down, left hand up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both elbow down. Plank pose. Come on. 1, hip present down. 2, down. 3, 4, Satvik, hip present down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand walk back, please. Padasthasana, don't drop your knee. Padasthasana, go back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up, bend back. Bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Relax your body.